Hi Aquarians, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. You know what? The moment I said sending you love, and the card that flipped is Ace of Hearts energy. And the message that came through, this is going to be timeless readings beyond. Message that was coming actually was the one who wants to connect with you. Okay, so there is some energy around you, whether you know it or not. Okay, there is someone who does want to connect with you. They want to talk, they want to initiate, they have that feeling or desire of connecting with you basically. So they desire to connect with you. Very interesting. This may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. However, this is your vibe, very exclusive, okay? Queen of Swords. The person who does want to connect with you maybe is a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, not necessarily though, or someone who is quite sensible, okay? That's the word I heard. Someone who is sure, and someone who knows what I want, what I desire, and why I'm desiring to connect with an Aquarius. Okay, so you also have another card, Two of Wands. Someone who is thinking about how to contact or how to message you. And weird is that I'm seeing the reflection kind of, not now, but I saw the reflection kind of 2, 3. 2, 3. How it fits you? 2, 3. Which may be some number, months, weeks, years, or this is someone who is trying to get in contact with you, to shake hands with you. They are desiring to connect with you. So there's like someone is they were very curious and they're planning and preparing how to. Okay, so Ace of Hearts, where someone's affection starts, or someone who is interested in talking with you about love matter or affection or friendship. They are in awe or overwhelmed and they just want to initiate something with you. This you may hear in the coming 2 days. For some people, lucky people, lucky stars, possible 2 hours or 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Okay, 8 of Wands energy, the one who desires to connect with you. So you may expect talk, you may expect messages, you may even initiate that with that person. So they want to talk, as if they have something to tell you, disclose, release, or anything connected. They want to talk. I heard someone who shares the same viewpoint, VIEW, someone who shares the same thought, thinking, or someone does have that same thought process kind of energy that is coming to me. Someone who is very warm and welcoming as well. Now, this can go from both the sides. If you're ready, it's going to be warm and welcoming, I'm sorry. You do not allow, because this something or someone is ready to enter. 6 of Pentacles. They are ready to shower you with affection, but you do not believe them. 7 of Swords. Some of you have trust issues. I shared one of the thoughts in my Insta, on my Insta, in the story and on the post. Oh, it's in the post. That was like, I have two things that I don't believe in people. people and all that. It's like I know them and I don't know them. So why do I not trust people? It's because I know them. I don't know them. Okay? However it fits you. Also, I feel that someone is hiding feelings to the core and feels though that pretending is going to be wrong for the long time, or pretending is going to be wrong in the long time. Some of you might be married already and in relationship and lying because you have someone in the picture, which may go with the Two of Wands energy. You have, you want, or you have someone and you are connecting with someone. That is pretending. That's cover up, that's cheat, that's betrayal. Of course, it's a mess, it's a chaos. Two of Pentacles, mess, juggling, or you will. Remember, cheating is not a mistake. It is done by choice. You know it. Because some people don't know it. Exceptions. They don't know, they were not aware, and someone lied and cheated. Done. Deal. But some know it. But because a certain connection they feel or the spark they feel, they get into that. This is something that you should not trust or believe, at least not in the first go. You're going to figure out, or this is what you are doing to the person you are. You're trying to stay away from the current relationship, and someone might be feeling cold or wounded. Five of Pentacles with Six of Swords. Remember, if you head towards something, or however vice versa, if you head towards something, you're going to lose out on this particular connection that might be giving you so much of love and attention and care. I see someone who is betraying someone, staying away, traveling. Are you traveling? You're not home? Some of you. You might be. What is that attracts you? Or what is that is attracting you now? You need to see what those choices are. What is that you are doing? What is that you are welcoming in your life, and where it is heading actually? These are, for me, these cards are telling me or giving me the vibe of extremes. Extreme decisions, extreme calls, extreme talks, extreme everything, okay? There are excuses on someone's part. Let's see what's in your future. In your future, this is going to be Two of Pentacles. Homecoming is going to be mess. If it is about you in the relationship, marriage, or deep connections here. I can give you even the months, you know. You have 6 and you 8, possible 8 months of marriage, or just you're completing year. This possible just 2 years, okay? Again, Two of Pentacles in the future is all about how you're going to decide, because it is the mess. And also homecoming is the way what I said, it just slipped. But homecoming is not that sweet, or you're not liking it. The return is not, it's changing your aura, it's changing your energy, it's changing your whole perspective about your current relationship or your life. Eight of Cups energy. How long you're going to hide, or how long you're going to take time to walk away, because this is the situation which is heading towards making decision between two. It's also someone who is desiring to connect with you, or you might be. If someone is desiring and you are already in some relationship, then again Two of Pentacles is a mess and a chaos. I've been doing recent readings wherein this mess and chaos is turning up. I've been recording readings and I can actually feel the vibe, okay? That is creating the storm of confusions. Seven of Hearts energy. It's like I feel good while I talk. I feel good. And I feel dragged where I am in. But why you did that? Aquarians, where you are heading? Do you want to be the reason to hurt someone? And if it is happening, then why you did it at the first place? That's what we say, right? You knew it all along. So if you are the reason, then you are responsible. Whether you are an Aquarius, no one is. I cannot do partiality for any sign, of course, because I read energies. It's just that we have signs, then we do take the names. You can do that, right? Or if you are involving yourself and it's like uncomfortable for you, then why I'm doing that, all that stuff, then you need to ask, seek answer within yourself that what is happening. Is someone responsible to go on, to let you go on that path again? Why you did that? Please, there is someone who loves you. You know what? The truth from your side or from that person's side, it is going to hurt. There is deception. You people need to let the mask out. This is not true and not right for you and for the person. Don't play with their feelings. Someone is wearing a false self mask in the relationship. I can even tell you the prediction of like, if you stay right now with the person or the person stays with you, because of whole of this crap and drama that is growing here, I see, in coming 2 years there's going to be separation talk. Why? Because I see detachment. Ultimately, you know this, if you don't clear this confusion, because there is someone in the picture, new love. However, take it as it resonates, if it fits you. Wedding was on the side, and again there is family, healing family issues. Before it's too late, resolve it. It is safe for you to love, but when I first got this deck, I used to read this card as, is it safe for you to love? Then that's a question. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Change is required. Give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. So if you're already in something, work on that before you lose it, before this love, the love of your life, loses interest in you or respect for you. Ultimately, because it's going to happen then. If there is sugar with you, why you want to have salt? It's just like, okay, I'm bored. Bored? Why? It's like, why you did that in the first place? That is the question. On you or on the person you're dealing. Okay, someone know you so well, or someone who knows you so well is in contact with you, or they're desiring to connect with you. Feelings. Not taking calls. You're not taking someone's calls, or someone is not taking calls. So the one you know so well, they are with you. You are not taking their call, ignoring it, confusion, stress. Someone is feeling cold. They're stressed. They're in anxiety. Let me tell you that, and they are also at distance. Okay, if you're doing that, or you are not taking their calls, rather giving them exclamations, excuses. No, don't do that. If you're doing that, don't do that. Or maybe you don't know what to do because you are in mess, honey, because of whatever happened. You don't know what to answer. This, can You see this? You don't know what to answer. This here I feel is a page of swords. Okay. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, you don't know what to answer. Am I repeating it? Yes, I'm repeating, but you don't know. Two of Pentacles, you don't know. Unable to decide. Juggling. How to handle something. Someone over here is trying to secure something that is very fragile. So relationship, connection, marriage. So someone is trying to hold on to create that bond. Okay, so the person you are with, they are trying or you are trying. Or you're just trying that it shouldn't fall, whatever it is, it should stay that way. But whatever is going to happen, these are emotions. And if they are going to be betrayed, this is going to fall. I'm just going to wind up this reading right away. Please clearly decide, don't mess up their mind and your mind, that I want the ball, I want the button, I want to make the runs as well, so I want the bat also. You can't have everything. Okay, you can either do bowling, okay, or you can do batting, then you can run, or else you can do the bowling and then you can run. But don't expect everything, like, you can't have all the things, like. So stop passing judgments on the situation and on yourself, and just secure your thoughts, okay? And please organize your thoughts, because this is something maybe connected with specific number of people I'm talking here, because it is coming. Your love life benefits as you forgive. Your parents may come, but this is healing family issues as well. People who are having families, people who are having children, or they are married. Issues arise. Now how you're going to resolve that? I love you. Take care. See you soon. Bye.